Hello everybody, this is Benaa Charity for Sustainable Developments, Benaa, Calliope, Egypt. Since 3 years we are working for sustainable developments in Benaa, Calliope, Egypt. Soon we shall cover other areas in Egypt. We are going to point out the attention toward the importance of waste management as an important aspect in sustainable development, not only in Egypt, but in the world as well. Waste control and management. Trash management, often known as trash disposal, refers to the processes and actions required to manage waste from genesis to final disposal. This encompasses waste collection, transportation, treatment, and disposal, as well as the monitoring and regulation of waste management processes, legislation, technology, and economic mechanisms. Waste can be solid, liquid, or gaseous, and each type requires various disposal and management techniques. Trash management encompasses all sorts of trash, including industrial, biological, household, municipal, organic, biomedical, and radioactive wastes. In some cases, waste can pose a threat to human health. Health issues are associated with the entire process of waste management. Health problems can also emerge indirectly or directly from the disposal of solid waste, and indirectly from the consumption of water, soil, and food. Human activity, such as extracting and processing raw resources, generates waste. Waste management seeks to mitigate the negative consequences of waste on human health, the environment, planetary resources, and aesthetics. Garbage management is to reduce the harmful impacts of such garbage on the environment and human health. A large portion of waste management is concerned with municipal solid waste, which is generated by industrial, commercial, and home activities. Waste management practices vary by country: developed and developing, region, urban and rural, and residential or industrial sectors. Plastic control and management. Plastic garbage has become one of the world's most pressing issues as human production and consumption have increased. By 2050, the world's oceans may contain far more plastic than fish. As a result, it poses a threat to the global environment, economy, and human health. According to recent global data, the majority of plastic garbage is either landfilled, recycled, or burnt. Recycling is the least used approach. The degradation of man-made plastics might take anywhere from 100 to 600 years. They are fragmented in the terrestrial and aquatic ecosystems into small particles known as microplastics, which may end up in the human body via the food chain, derma products, or drinking bottled water. This presentation discussed various global facts and issues in plastic trash management, concluding with the best offered solutions to the world's governments. 143 resources were assessed, with 90 of them being papers, books, and websites from international organizations to cover the introduction, findings, and discussion sections. The study discovered that plastic waste management is the responsibility of both global governments and individuals. Most countries of the world lack legislation that specifically handle plastic waste, rather than all waste. Furthermore, rules must be strictly enforced in countries where they are disregarded. Individuals' awareness should be raised by engaging in new inventive techniques developed by their governments. Further information is necessary to be provided by researchers to measure microplastics' negative effects on the environment and public health. Plastic control and management strategies and aspects. Plastic usage rises with the global population, resulting in greater amounts of plastic trash. There are several plastic waste management solutions. However, current management progress is unsustainable, and plastic waste dumping in landfills remains the most popular strategy. Plastic garbage, which is not biodegradable, causes a number of environmental and human health issues when dumped in landfills. Numerous studies have lately been done to find safe and environmentally friendly techniques of treating plastic garbage. A computational approach was used in this article's bibliographic study of the current literature on plastic trash management. The bibliographic analysis looked at the most commonly used keywords, the most frequently cited articles and authors, actively engaged countries, and publication sources. In conclusion, effective waste management is imperative for sustainable development, both locally and globally. The mismanagement of waste, particularly plastic waste, poses significant threats to human health and the environment. To address these challenges, a multifaceted approach is necessary. This includes implementing robust waste management policies, promoting recycling and composting, investing in innovative technologies, and raising public awareness. By adopting sustainable waste management practices, we can mitigate the negative impacts of waste, preserve our planet's resources, and ensure a healthier future for generations to come. Thanks for listening.